Hi there, students. To redact a verb, a redaction, the noun or the concept, and a redactor, the person who does it. Okay, to redact means to edit something or to put it into a form where it can be published. Where it can be handed in to your boss or your teacher. So maybe you have a whole lot of various facts in different files, in different documents, in different formats. And you need to bring all this together so that it's all in one document, it's all in one book, it's all in one essay, it's all in one academic paper, so that people can understand it and can understand the relationship between the different things. You'll probably not use some of the data, and you will write information explaining other bits. So, to redact. You could redact a collection of poems. He redacted a collection of poems by his favourite author. He put them all together and put a little bit of explanation about them, maybe a few words linking each of them. So it's putting it all together in a format where it can be published. So a redactor is an editor. Yeah, a redactor, the editor of a news article. The reporter gives the newspaper the article, and then it needs to be redacted, put in a form where it fits in the exact space available in the newspaper. Yeah, so to edit or to compile texts. You redact things from different places. You compile the information. You put it all together in one document. You can also use the word to redact, meaning to censor, to cross out sensitive bits, to delete private or sensitive information. Notice, however, this usage is very old-fashioned and very formal. It's not commonly used today, and I think if you give it 10 or 20 years, this meaning is going to become obsolete. But people still do use it. So, I don't know, the letters he sent out of prison were redacted, or the letters sent into the prison were redacted. The prisoners of war letters home were redacted by the censor. Or did you see the AstraZeneca contract published the other day? That was heavily redacted, so all the important information was missing. I don't suggest you use this word. I suggest you use the word to censor, a censor. It's more current, yeah? Okay, so a scientist could do a set of experiments and then he could redact the data and publish an academic paper in Science, maybe. Like that, he can submit his results. Or you do an experiment at school and then you need to write a redaction. You need to redact all the results, explaining what you did, explaining the data you got, and your conclusion from it. And that's to compile data. Whereas you can also use redact, meaning to edit other people's data. He gave me a whole pile of poems that had been written on sweet wrappers and scraps of paper, and I redacted all of these into a format where a book could be published. So an editor, yeah. Many of the words he used, many of the ways that he explained his ideas were very unclear and needed redaction. So notice as well, to redact, a regular verb. He redacted the poems. He has redacted all of the data. But also this is a formal phrase. Yeah, I'm going to give it 7, 8 in formality, something like that. I think more informally, either to compile or to edit. Then what about the origin of this? Well, this comes to English through French. We have through French, yeah, from Latin originally. We have the word redactus, which is a participle of the Latin verb redigo, re meaning back, and then ago meaning to put in motion, to drive. So, to redact, to edit, to compile, to put together in a format that it can be published, to make usable, to make in a format that could be handed in, that could be published in a scientific paper, that could be published as a book. Okay, so to redact. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Redact, redaction, redactor.